What's up, guys? Right here on the water again, targeting some reds, flounder, trout, of course. I'm actually out here a little later than I usually am, but I think it's for the better because these fish seem to wake up pretty late out here. Every time I hook up on fish out here, it's at like 8 or 9 o'clock. So, and yeah, I'll see you out there when we get on some fish. All right, it's time, guys. We're at the spat. I'm gonna start off with top water. I'll probably throw it for not even 5 minutes if I don't get any bites on it. Seagulls everywhere. Should be a good sign. Oh, I see birds. Bunch of birds. Okay, let's see if I can throw in there without hooking a bird. Oh yeah, they're moving that way. I can see them. I missed them. Those are big reds. Those are big reds. There we go. There we go. There we go. Turn us around. We are on them. We're on them. I just gotta keep following those birds. Try not to spook these guys. Alright. Oh, he's not that big, but we need to get him off and get back onto him. Yeah, boys, here we go. This is it. There we go. Got him. Alright, school's still going. I see their backs out of the water. We're gonna see if we can hook onto another one. Oh no, I got a bird. Okay, it came off. No, it didn't. Oh, come here, seagull. I'm sorry, buddy. Come here. You're just tangling the line. You're not hooked. Okay, so I'm pretty sure that school is still down here somewhere. Oh no, they're right there. I can see them. Oh heck yeah, there's some big ones in there. Yeah, that's them. There's some bigger ones in there too. There we go. That one's a lot bigger. That one's a lot bigger. There we go. And this is why you want that Hobie reverse drive. This is why. There we go. Turn me around. Turn me around. There we go. Okay, let's get out there after him. I've awoken the beast now. There we go. Alright, now we can focus on catching this fish. Oh, it's a beast. Oh, 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 oh. Whoa! Whoa! That thing's a beast. And the school's still going down there. Come here. Oh my god. Okay, this guy's got to go out. So in terms, it's a good red. It's like 20, 22, 23. Later, buddy. Oh, let's get this guy. Oh my god, my hand hurts. There we go, boys. Oh, there we go. And there's a freaking treble hook in here. I just hooked myself. But it's okay, because we got this giant red fish. Oh my god, hell yeah, boy. Woo! Yeah, the school's still going, so I'm gonna measure this guy, get a picture with him, and then get on that school again. He is right at 28 inches. He is barely a bull, but he is the heftiest, fattest freaking little 28 inch I've ever seen. Check it out, guys. Look how big that fish is. 28 inches. Make sure he makes it back in the water safe. Look at this freaking beast. Look at this beast. All right, well, I'm gonna explore. I think the school might be down there. I see two seagulls picking some stuff off. Let's get back onto them. I know it's gonna anger you guys, but I'm releasing this boy. I don't need him. Later, buddy. Dude, that was amazing. I bet most of those in there were 25 and above. The first one I got was probably the smallest one in the school. All right, so if you didn't know, I caught both those fish on the Egret Baits Vudu Mullet. I think it's a 3.5 inch, but yeah, it looks like this in mullet color. I don't think it really would have mattered. You could probably throw like a freaking, what, like a jalapeno in there or something, anything with a hook. You could probably just throw a hook in there, and those fish would have slammed it. They had murder on their mind. Okay. I don't see seagulls, but I see crazy splashing over there by that bird, like huge, just white coming out of the water. All right, there's totally a school of reds up here, guys. It's gotta be. There's huge, crazy splashing. I don't see them anymore, so I'm just gonna keep blind casting so I don't scare them. Oh, they're in there still. Oh my God. Do you see that, guys? Do you see that? Let's see if we can get one. There we go. It's not that big. Let's get him in there. Oh, wait, never mind. He's bigger than I thought. There's so many reds. I'm gonna spook him. I'm gonna spook him. Come here, boy. Pal. Where are you at, buddy? Come here, come here, come here. Woo! Got him. Oh my God, they're all back behind me too. They're all over the place. All right. Good redfish. Probably like, I would say like 22 to 24. I'll catch you later, buddy. Oh, man. All right, we're back on the old Vudu Mullet. Same kind, but just one I've used a lot before. It's all ugly looking. Oh, there's another school down there. That's far. Oh, I got hit. Yeah, dude, should I just go for it? Or should I just keep trying to blind cast? Dang, that's far. I'm guessing it's a school. Let's go for it, guys. I'll be back. All right, we made it to the birds. They weren't as far as I thought. I thought they were on the other side, but they're right here in the middle of the water. And we're gonna see if there's some redfish under them. I'm guessing there is, because they're going crazy. Like, these birds are just like stabbing the water every freaking 3 seconds. Oh yeah, there's their fins. Nope, I missed him. There we go, on instantly. Oh, he was fast, he got off. Oh, I can't hook him. I can't hook him, come on. Oh my God, why can't I hook him? Okay. There we go. There we go. Look at him go. He doesn't feel that big. Oh yeah, he is. Never mind. Oh yeah, he's not that big. Come here, boy. Oh God, yeah. All right. There's one, dude. Let's go get another one. There we go, and I'm on. Oh, he came off. It's crazy. As soon as my lure hits the water, they pop it, and it just makes this crazy noise. I don't know if it's a seagull or. There we go. There we go. We on another one, boys. On another one. He's fast. Come here, boy. Looks a little bigger than that first one. Maybe he's not awake yet. Oh, whoa, there he goes. He's up. Oh my God, it's a big red. He is fighting with all his strength right now. Jesus. Oh. Ah, let's go get another one. I think it's this hook, man. It's like rusted and stuff. There we go. Got one. Got one. lose my drag just a little bit. It's a good day. That's a pretty one. He's not that big, but he's pretty. Come here, bud. Let's get you in here. He's barely hooked too. There we go. Look at this guy. Let's get back in the water. He's bleeding. Later, buddy. I can't see him anymore. I think that was on top of him. Yep. There we go. There we go. I think that's a big one. Unless it's just his weight on all the other ones. Oh, there we go. There we go. There's schools everywhere. There's a school right there. School right there. School right there. Oh yeah, here we go. This is a big one. I'm gonna have to take my time with him. Come here, pal. Whoa, 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 whoa. He was asleep, I guess. Oh. Oh my god. Come over that fishing pole. Turn me around real quick, bud. Alright, this is the side I wanted you on anyways. Oh, he's not ready. Jeez. Stay on this side. Go on this side, yeah. Oh, he's under the kayak. Go, come on, come on, you're so close. Come here, redfish. Oh, he got him. Oh my god. All right, let's measure this boy. All right. Oh, that might be a PB, boys. It's definitely a PB in weight. These are tournament grade fish, dude. Dang, he's barely 28 inches. I thought he was a lot bigger. But hey, that's still 2 bulls for today. So I'm gonna take a picture and release this guy and we'll be back on the school. All right. This one's ready to go already, dang. All right, let's get some more. All right, we got back to the school right here. That had to have been on him. Oh, there we go. There we go. Oh! Oh no, bird's got me. Oh, he dropped it. I think he dropped it right on him too. There we go. There's another one. Oh, I'm gonna lose him like that. He doesn't feel as big. Oh, there's one right before him too. They're still, I'm like in the school right now, and they're just following this guy that I have hooked. Maybe they don't know he's hooked. Gotcha, buddy. Really hooked. Not a bad redfish, good keeper size, but I'm too busy fishing today. All right, back on the school once again. There's a huge one up in the front, man. There we go. Look, they're just chilling there. They're not even freaking out at the fact that this fish just got hooked. They don't care. They're like, we're busy. Oh, no. Come here. Yeah, if you're not in a school of reds like this that are just endless and you've already caught a bunch, don't fucking horse them like this. Yeah, never horse your redfish in like that. Only reason I'm doing it is because I'm trying to just catch more for fun. Like that, like so. Let's get the slime all over the camera before I take a picture. There we go. Gotcha, bud. My fish. This is absolutely insane, guys. This guy's strong. I don't know how big he is. He doesn't look that big, but he's been staying kind of down. Let my pedals out on him. And we got another one. There we go, boys. This is like a perfect eater too, man. Dang, dude, some good eaters out here. That's gonna be a bull one day. Big bull. Alright, so this school is actually heading right my way. And since I haven't caught really a big fish standing up yet, we're gonna try. Oh, there's one, there's one. There we go. There we go. I caught like the smallest one. You're not that big, I can boat flip you. Yeah. So, the thing about redfish is they have these things called crushers. And they can't control them. As soon as something touches those crushers, they instantly starts trying to swallow it. So, it makes them really hard to unhook sometimes when they start just eating your lure while you're trying to pull it out. But it's not their fault, so. There we go, there we go. Oh, he got off. I honestly think I'm just gonna pull this up on the beach and walk. Let's see. Way deeper than I thought, guys. Way deeper than I thought. Okay. That was nice. Oh my god, I'm gonna fall in the water. It's freaking cold. Okay, so that's why they're back here. This is like 5 foot deep of freaking mud. Alright, so it's really shallow in here, but I see like a little, oh yeah, there's fish in there. Oh my lord. There we go, got him. Yeah, pull me that way, bud. Oh, come on. Let's see if there's any more in there. Oh, instantly. Oh, and he's off again. Dude, what the heck? These hooks are so bad. If I miss a fish a 3rd time, I'm gonna be sad. I'm gonna be mad, I'm just gonna be sad. Oh, is that another one? Yep, it is. Oh my god. These hooks are ridiculous. But another one got it. Oh my lord. He's on it. There we go. Got him that time. You're on there. Yeah, come out of there. Get out of the grass. Get out of the grass. This is insane. There we go. Got him. He's fatty. Ugh. Alright, this one's kind of bleeding a lot, but I got him off pretty fast, so. There he goes, he's still swimming away. Yeah, and these hooks are horrible, so I think I'm gonna have to anyways. There we go. Did he get off, or is he on there? Oh, he's on there. The little guy. Jeez. Jeez, little guy. But oh, whoa, whoa, oh my god. Bruh. Later, dude. Threw up your whole stomach onto my kayak. Thanks, my guy. There we go. There we go. What is that? A flounder? You don't look like a red. What are you, buddy? It's something. Oh, that's red. Heck yeah. No action, nothing. Oh, whoa, whoa. I'm gonna tighten this just a little bit. Dang, dude, he's gonna take me in that grass. No. Oh, wait, what the? Hey, black drum? I wish I could catch that. Come here, bud. Oh, what's up, ugly man? Let's get this hook cleared. Look at that. Look at that. Pretty black drum, man. I'll catch you later, buddy. What's up, guys? I'm on the way back. I guess I'm gonna film my outro now. Today was an amazing, insane day for red fishing, guys. I never would have thought today would be the day that it would be crazy out here, but it was. And I almost I almost stayed in bed, honestly. I've been really tired working a lot, so I was like, I'll just take the day off, stay in bed. But that's what tells you, man. You gotta stay on it, man. You gotta get out here anytime you can. Of course, unless you got responsibilities, take care of your responsibilities. But I don't even know why I'm saying all this stuff. This is probably gonna get cut out. Heck yeah, make sure to follow me on Instagram. I'll be posting pictures of the fish at Hilltop Fishing on Instagram. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you later, peeps.